My name is Warren Featherbridge. I'm the Managing Director of the Smart Resources Group. We're a 35-acre recycling depot in the southeast of Melbourne, and we recycle green waste, timber waste, builders waste and concrete. We employ 90 staff, and behind me you can see our timber waste shredding area. So the products we're making with the timber waste is boiler fuel, wood fibre for particle board manufacturing, landscaping mulch, laneway mulch for dairy farms and stockyards, and we also make boiler fuel for our bioenergy plant. So we've purchased an UNTHA XR3000. It's actually our first electric shredder. We've had multiple shredders on this site, ranging from horizontal grinders, tub grinders. We've been in the business for 27 years, so you name it, we've tried it. This is our first foray into an electric machine. So the advantages for us, less fuel consumption. We're actually running it currently on a generator, but we're about to hardwire it. We're just putting a substation in the next couple of months. And so this shredder will be hardwired to the grid. We have a 100 kilowatt solar system on site, so that's going to help offset the power usage. The other reason we like the electric is you don't have the combustion engine, which is obviously a heat source, which can cause fires. And because we're dealing with wood fibre and wood dust, that's a concern for us to minimise fire risk. It's also very quiet, and being a slow speed shredder, it creates a lot less dust. So there's a whole bunch of reasons we decided to go down that path of the UNTHA 3000. So it's an Austrian machine supplied in Australia by Focus Environmental. We've dealt with Focus over the years for various bits and bobs. This is probably our biggest purchase with Focus. We're pretty happy with it. You might notice that we tip on concrete, we shred on concrete, and we store on concrete. So that minimises the wear to this shredder. So we've now done, I think it's 880 hours on this shredder, and we've only rotated the teeth twice. So all we've done is move the anvil in slightly just to keep that gap closed up. Other than that, we've done very, very little maintenance on this machine. So that's been a big success story for us. Probably the lowest maintenance we've ever had on a machine before. And if you convert the fuel usage, some of the larger shredders that we've used in the past have been using over 100 litres of fuel an hour. We're currently running it on a generator, which is not the best way to do this, but that's using about 70 litres an hour. Once it's hardwired, it's going to be even more efficient still. Our experience with Focus Enviro has been quite positive. We mainly deal with Ryan and Robbie. Ryan for servicing. They are generally available over the phone, and with the UNTHA shredder, it also has, it's the first shredder we've had where we can log into a portal, see the error messages, and even the Austrians who make the UNTHAs can actually see what's happening with our machine. So Ryan's only a short phone call away, and we can generally troubleshoot stuff over the phone. And other than that, we've got on-site mechanics that can help us with anything mechanical with the machine. So yeah, overall it's been a positive experience, very low maintenance machine, and it's been very reliable. So we currently process in the order of about 25,000 tonnes of timber waste per annum. That's going into the landscaping market, it's going into particle board manufacturing, laneway mulch, dairy farms, and boiler fuel. So the boiler fuel market is kind of our key area of focus. There's a lot of shift away from using LPG gas, and people are putting in these bioenergy boilers and using wood chip derived from recycled timber to power their boilers. So those boilers will produce hot water for an application like growing tomatoes in a glass house or growing flowers. So there's a lot of agricultural applications as well as some industrial applications as well. So we can see that market for boiler fuel doubling, even tripling within the next 5 to 10 years. And so we want to take advantage of that market and produce a quality fuel that we can supply all over Victoria. And the UNTHA is part of that vision of what we're trying to do.